don't say a thing. Too afraid of what the people may say and think. So you just sit there and suffer in silence. Your pride won't let you trust to cover your secrets. Don't wanna look weak and your image it ain't worth losing. So you just act as if it's nothing happening. God sees you. Yes, God hears you. Yes, God loves you. You're not an eternal pleader. Can't see your pain, but it can silently kill ya. Suicidal, depressed, but you won't say a thing. Too afraid of what the people may say and think. You feel alone, people surround you. Popping pills every night, I know that can't solve it. The emotional pain, it just seems way too heavy. Your mind is racing, wanna scream, somebody help me, yeah. God sees you. Yes, God hears you. My God loves you. These type of people sit right under our noses. We don't find out till we're on